Whoa, now what's happening with the D-Law? Now today, we got some little minor upgrades we gonna do to the Tundra, kind of differentiate it from the rest of them that's out there on the road. So if you're looking to, just kind of give your ride a little bit of razzle dazzle, then you came to the right place. So I ordered some basically some stick-on decal overlays that we're gonna install today. I will leave the link to them in the description. I got these off of Etsy, so wasn't very expensive, maybe $10 with shipping and handling, but I will put the complete cost and the link to it in the description. And here we go. Do is clean this surface. I already cleaned it because it didn't come with a cleaning wipe. Typically when I order stuff like this, it'll come with an alcohol wipe and you can kind of clean it. But I used a little bit of soap and water. In the past, I have used a cotton ball and alcohol and just kind of rubbed it on there and got it right. So they gave me two different ones, so if I mess up, I guess I can try again. But since I done it several times, I'm gonna go ahead and go with my move. But if you're a little nervous, you can use soap and water, which will give you some wiggle room, and then when it dries, it'll go ahead and stick, kind of like how you would do with window tint.
Voila.